Hello guys, this is Abandoned 6.7. This is my new ride, 1994 Dodge Dakota with the 3.9 V6 in it. Paint job's a little faded, but still looks good. Crank it up. And yes, it has stock exhaust for now. Engine sounds smooth. Exhaust has a teeny rumble. And it has a touchy throttle. It jumps. Yep. Check out my other vehicles. I got all kinds of vehicles. And I got videos of all of them. So go on my channel and pick what vehicle you like and watch the video. Maybe see some exhaust clips. Maybe hear the engine revving up a little bit. Maybe some badass off-roading videos. I don't know what you might find. Go find it.